thank you for buying this 22015 microwave cover from Fixture Displays. This cover is pretty lightweight, about 1/3 of a pound. Diameter is about 11.5 inches, and overall height is 4.3 inches. It's reasonably transparent and it's made from polypropylene. There's also a cap, ventilation cap on top. You can turn that to release moisture in the air. As you can see, the transparency is fairly decent. This is microwave safe. In addition to microwave, you can also use this cover in fridge or stove and on your tabletop. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.